What's going on YouTube? This is LCDSmartKey.com. I'm here with an exclusive remote today. This is the new V6. This is actually on the Nissan Maxima. I'm going to show you some of the features real fast, and then we're going to do the test. This has lock, unlock, trunk, and also remote start. Trunk and remote start is right there. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the test. Oh, before I do that, this actually comes with an alternate back. It has a matte back and a shiny back. Both come with it. So I'm going to include this in there so he can, interchange his bags if he wants to. All right, let's get into the test. Let me wake the tester up. Here we go. Hold it steady so you can see. Let's do lock. Perfect. Let's do unlock. Perfecto. Swipe over. We're going to do remote start. Cool. And let's hold remote start. You know it. It does it if we hold it. As you see, we let it go. And now let's do trunk. Perfect. Now we're going to do the side buttons here. So let's do trunk on the side. Let's do lock on the side. Physical button actually. There it is. Let's do unlock. Perfect. Let's do unlock again. Perfect. Now I can't hold it actually steady, so it's supposed to be 4-3-3 like those. Boom, 4-3-3. 4-3-3. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to mail this one back. I gotta be at work in about 20 minutes, so I gotta get this sent out overnight. And if you want to get one of these for your car or truck, just give me a call. LCDSmartKey.com. My number is listed on there. 678-400-9150. I do these for Nissan, Infiniti, Chevy, Range Rover, Maserati, F-150, Mustang. You name it, I do it. Alfa Romeo, Jeep. Come on now. You guys hit me up. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.